Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Today I just wanted to take a moment to give you a quick recap of a pretty simple setup and something you're going to want to look for when you're out there day trading. Today we had Zoom and it's a nice drop. We got this beautiful consolidation here on a nice support level that started to curl up into. And so what you can do is you can come out here and draw a nice little wedge, figure out where the support is, which is this line we drew here. Kept having these little wicks and tests, but it just couldn't break it. So we consider that a new support. And then as the stock builds into this downtrend line right here that I drew on the chart, we're thinking, okay, well, if it gets above this downtrend, then we want to be long. Additionally, I use this yellow line here as a VWAP. It's an indicator that basically measures the average price for the volume that is flown into the stock. And so it kind of acts as a natural resistance level for a breakout or support many times. So that added confluence to this trade entry where we have this downtrend, it held a support level, it builds into a resistance, which is downtrend, VWAP. And then additionally, we have this little EMA here. I don't really use these all that much, but it's nice support that there was such a big spread between the price and the moving average, but then it crossed over here. So all of these things lead to a very good entry point. Additionally, at this time, another thing you want to take into consideration is what is the market as a whole doing? So let's go back. I've marked it on the chart. And as you can see, SPY had this nice little dump on the back of some odd COVID pointer that came out, and it really bounced kind of strong off of the $356 point. And right here, it was bounced straight up into a resistance, which again, here's that VWAP that I was talking about a minute ago, your moving average, and the open price of the day. All three of those things act as a resistance. So at this time, basically 11 a.m., this is kind of where you would expect it to turn back down if it's going to do that. And it lines up exactly with where ZM, the stock that we day traded, was building for a breakout right here at this moment. Because this is a coronavirus stock, whenever the market dips, oftentimes these streamers or these work from home companies pump. So right at this time, we think it's a decent spot for the market to go short, which means these stay-at-home stocks are going to pump. So we had the downtrend, the short spot on SPY, and all of these resistance zones breaking all at once, which means we bought in here, we sold on the first move up, and then we added back in right here on the breakout level. It's a very easy trade. So in conclusion, that's about where we wrap it up here. We're taking profits all the way up on this move up wherever we feel comfortable. A really good place to sell would have been up here around 432, but I feel like that's a little bit ambitious sometimes. So I'm usually selling somewhere around 427 on this second buy and maybe have a little runner up here until it starts to turn bearish. That said, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter at Confused1.